Welcome to your guide on setting up the LoyaltyTree eco-friendly loyalty program for Shopify. Setting up an account is a breeze. It's automated. Our system creates an account for you and sets up a store reference. Now let's dive into setting it all up. After activating, you'll gain access to the admin screen right from your store under Apps. When it first connects, you will be brought to the main dashboard where you can see a summary of your loyalty program. The first step to configure your program is to find your store settings and configure. Navigate to the Stores tab on the left navigation. Then your Stores card will be visible. Click the Setup Task list to see the steps. Let's go through the tasks. Click Enable LoyaltyTree widget. We need to enable our app in your Stores theme. This dialog will guide you. Read through the dialog's instructions, then click Open Theme Customer button to open Shopify's theme and activate LoyaltyTree widgets. This will take you directly to your Stores theme editor. It's simple. Once you're in the theme editor, click App Embeds on the far left, find our app and click the toggle to activate our app, and then save your theme changes. After the save is complete, you can close this tab and go back to the store admin and the LoyaltyTree dialog. If you scroll down, there's a button to activate the checkout widget also. This is for allowing consumers to also sponsor trees and other eco products during the checkout. Let's click and open the store's checkout theme editor. In the editor, you will also see an Apps tab on the left. From here, you can activate the LoyaltyTree checkout widget. It is optional, and you can activate it later at any time. Again, look for our app and toggle to add to the checkout block and save. Go back to the dialog and mark the task complete. That's all the store theme modifications that are needed. Close the tab once saved and switch back our admin and mark the task as complete at the top of the dialog. You can select the next task or click General Settings and open the Store Settings dialog. I am going to switch the store to Live mode for the Eco Rewards. Leave in Demo mode for testing, as no credits will be used and fake trees rewarded. We need to enter your company's and store's legal information. For demo purposes, I'm just entering placeholder information for company name, legal store name, and address. Now I will save and go on to the next task. We will now configure the consumer experience settings for the Loyalty app. There are only a few steps more before you can start testing in your store. Selecting Experience from the task list or clicking the Experience button will launch the dialog, and we can start with the first tab, Messaging. This is what your customer sees in the store widgets and can be customized in multiple languages. You can see a preview of what the messaging looks like before you save. Name your program. I'll use Super Loyalty. We will use the defaults for now for the welcome title, link, subtitle, and the tooltip. Once done, we will save the loyalty messaging and move on to the Loyalty View tab. The Loyalty View, the primary consumer's experience, displays the consumer's progress through the loyalty program and their impact. When the customer launches their Loyalty View, they can see how many seeds, trees, and other rewards they have earned. Multiple templates are available and more are on the way. The next tab is for the launcher, which is the primary entry point for the consumer to the loyalty program in your store. The launcher appears at the bottom left of the consumer's store view, even on mobile. Customize its look and feel to your preference. There are 3 different choices, and you can edit the HTML directly if you want more control. My choice today? The compact view. Let's save that. Your loyalty program includes multiple pages within your store, an impact page for the store's overall eco impacts, the customer's dashboard where they can also see their full impact, and the legal and program overview pages. We provide you a starter program overview in multiple languages to choose from, and the same for the terms and conditions. Save your edits. These final tabs let you customize the top header of each page. To control the color scheme of the consumer experience to either match your stores or to create something unique, click the Theme button on the store card and select a default theme or customize your own. That covers the basics of the consumer experience. Now we need to configure how seeds and eco rewards are awarded to your customers. That is handled in the loyalty group settings, which is linked to your store. Let's start with the triggers for seeds being awarded, from site visits, paid orders to new store registrations. Clicking on Seed Settings opens the dialog to manage these settings. For visits, you can set limits per any period. For orders, you can award different seed amounts based on order size and currency. The last concept is eco tiers, and that is actually the central model for how rewards are assigned. Click Eco Tiers under your loyalty group to manage. Much like airline miles tiers, Your customers reach eco tiers by earning seeds, and you control how many seeds it takes and what the rewards are for each tier. You can award trees and or other eco-oriented rewards like cleaning a kilogram of plastic from the environment. There are default tiers automatically created. Feel free to rename or create new ones.